Introducing Japan Aviation Electronics Industries July 2018 product release. J has developed and released a USB Type-C cable harnesses which has a thumb screw integrated in the plug hoods to allow for secure mating in industrial applications. It will be made available to customers as part of the DX07 series family of products, which also includes standard cable harnesses without screw locks, as well as receptacle and plug connectors. The USB Type-C connectors are widely used as a data and power interface for PCs, smartphones, audiovisual devices, gaming devices, and are expected to expand to industrial equipment applications as well. Demands to satisfy industrial requirements for robustness and reliability meant there was a need to create a supplemental specification for a USB Type-C connector with a locking engagement method. To cater to these new requirements, J has developed and launched the USB Type-C cable harness featuring screw locks that conforms to the screw lock specification added to the USB 3.1 standard. These products are compatible with the USB 3.1 and Type-C standard, and can support high-speed transmission up to 10 Gbps and 5 A max power supply depending on the cable configuration. By equipping a screw lock on the plug hood, the connector can be securely fixed to the device housing. Therefore, this product can be used with confidence in equipment that require robustness and operate in vibrating environments. The screw size is M2, and the screw lock position is compliant with the dimensions specified by the USB Type-C standard. As a manufacturer who has taken part in the development and standardization of the USB Type-C specification, J will continuously work to expand product variations of receptacles, plugs, and cable harnesses in the DX07 series. Please visit the J website for more information on these products.